Hello and welcome to my travel vlog to Malta, where I'll be sharing my experience, destinations, and my honest opinion. This took place in June 2022 and lasted 3 days. We went to Boogie Pub, Gozo, the Blue Lagoon, and the third day, Valletta. We flew with Ryanair and our flight took around 2 hours. We arrived at the Malta airport at midnight. I booked a transfer to our hotel, and at the counter they told us to wait for the driver. Our driver was already there, so we actually had to wait for the other passengers. After waiting for almost an hour, we went to the cab that had to drive us to the hotel. The drive was crazy because the driver was speeding too much and over the limit. But finally, after an hour and something, we arrived at our hotel. We checked in, took a shower and went to sleep. Then we woke up at around 7 o'clock and prepared for the day. I found this cafe on Google near us, so we decided to go there. The lady server was very kind to us. She brought us some delicious food. I got this wrap and my dad got a sandwich, a bacon sandwich, which both were very delicious. We actually tried both of them, so we ate the half and the other person got the half, so we both could try each other's food. After talking for a bit, we decided to visit the aquarium. But after trying to find the bus station and arrivals of the bus, we just decided to walk there. The walk was only 15 minutes, but my dad's feet are not that flexible as they used to, so we took a short break midway there. The tequila?
Yes. I don't think you got it. The whole bottle?
No. Just one. After that, we visited the aquarium and took some photos and videos and just enjoyed ourselves. We also had our lunch here, which was amazing. We had a beautiful view and the drinks and food were just amazing, and my salad was very refreshing. It was already afternoon, so my dad took a nap. He always does, but now he was actually pretty tired of the walking, so he took a quick nap. Meanwhile, I planned our next days to the details, so I was prepared. I also made some tea because of my stomach pain, because unfortunately I had my days on the trip, but we got tampons, so that's a plus.
Hey, man, Brian, critical enough?
I believe my thing.
We're sending. That's because the enemy knows we're coming. How do I know this? Before I died, I killed a mimic, only this one was different. It passed on in my blood. Now I did the same day over and over again, just like they did. The general quietly pulled some strings, stationed your only son in Australia as far from home as possible. Tell the general's dinner's just been canceled. Call came in just now. Rita, let me just, please, don't shoot him again. Okay? Just...
It's like a talk.
General, this is the first time we've had this conversation. That's
What's it called?
because you're stubborn. You won't believe me when I tell you that Dr. Carter's
Can
right.
tie it up
Enemy can manipulate
to a skirt.
The invasion will fail. No matter how many bodies you throw
Like
at
a
it.
swimmer.
The only way to win this war
Then you can
is by
use it as a
finding this
cow.
power source of the mimic
Yeah.
core and killing it. And the only means of finding it is in that safe right there.
After I woke up, we went to the beach near the shore and took a quick swim. Our first dinner, we had it at our hotel's restaurant, which was very beautiful. The food was amazing, even though it wasn't very cheap, but we ordered two different things so we could share and try each one of them. And this was our first day in Malta.